When Emily inherited her grandmother's vintage typewriter, she thought it was a charming relic of the past. Yet, as her fingers brushed the keys, it began to type on its own, narrating her life with eerie precision. From mundane breakfast choices to pivotal career decisions, each keystroke mirrored her reality, revealing secrets only she knew. The typewriter's ghostly authorship extended beyond the present, hinting at future events that soon unfolded with unsettling accuracy. Neighbors whispered of the typewriter's origins. Some claimed it belonged to an enigmatic author who vanished without a trace, leaving behind a legacy of unfinished stories. As Emily's life intertwined with the spectral machine, she pondered, was she the protagonist or merely a character in a narrative spun by unseen hands? Uncover the truth behind this haunted inheritance and witness the chilling tale unfold. Subscribe now to delve into the mystery of the typewriter that knows too much.